Hello, my dear friends. This is the story of a lost package. It was sent from America in December last year. It was intended as a Christmas present. It was sent to me by my dear friend Donna Cipriano. She sent me two packages in December. One package found my home, but the other decided that I had another Christmas in March. I know you're jealous of me. Who else has two Christmas a year? Joke. I know. I now have a lot of new product of at home, and because I want to have them as much time as possible, I need your help. I don't want to cast away even a drop of product. So I would like you to write me the best recipes in the box below. If you mix if I mixed it up myself, I'm afraid I threw a lot of away. Each of you has a good recipe for at last one product. In both packages I got flute floral, satin enamel from DecoArt, soft body acrylics paint white from Arties Loft, craft smart white glue, golden gag 800, and extreme sheen metallic paint from DecoArt. Please, for recipe. Thank you for your help. Dear Yanya and family, this is my last card from last year. I didn't make any this year, either too lazy or something, but I'm happy to share it with you. I hope your holidays are as special as you and you get to enjoy them in your new home, in peace, joy, love, and health, with love, light, and happiness. Donna and John. Donna, thank you 1,000 times from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to you and thank you to your John. Because today is Christmas for me and because we need to ask for peace again.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from heaven above, heavenly hosts sing hallelujah. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born.